want to remind you, of course, the Craft Beer Festival is on. Runway seating, some of the best seats in the house, only $10. And Flight Club, even better seating, right by Show Center. That's only $25. Hey, photographers, you get your best shot at the Panasonic photo booth. Lots of prizes, and of course, it is open to the public as well. So come on down, it's right at the beginning of Chalet Row. That is the Panasonic photo booth. But to get involved with the Abbotsford International Air Show, you can get memberships available at the info booth. That's only $10. And if you need to get over to the terminal area for transportation, or you're meeting somebody, taxis are available at the airport terminal, and also
Good afternoon. My name is Steve Stewart. I am the chair of the board of the Abbotsford International Air Show Society. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, we have an exceptional air show for you again. We welcome many performers from the United States. We're very pleased to see you here once again. We also welcome our Canadian teams, especially the Snowbirds, whose performance provides a major highlight every year. And of course the Skyhawks, who we'll see very soon. Of course there are many other performers as well who will impress us with their skills and displays. And once again, we welcome all of the delegates that have just come over from TradeX, from the Aerospace Defence and Security Exposition, and for the first time here in Abbotsford, from the Canadian Business Aviation Association annual meeting. Welcome to all of you who come here every year to enjoy the show. I'm now pleased to introduce our distinguished guests. Don Beer, Chief of the Abbotsford Fire Rescue Service. Jim Quick, President of the Aerospace Industries Association of Canada. Geert Heiko, Consul General for the Netherlands. Lieutenant General Dennis Lout, Commander of the Royal Netherlands Air Force. The Honourable Harjit Sajjan, Minister of National Defence. Lieutenant General Michael Hood, Commander of the Royal Canadian Air Force and Chief of the Air Force Staff. Henry Braun, Mayor of Abbotsford. Rudy Turing, President of the Canadian Business Aviation Association. Bob Rich, Chief Constable of the Abbotsford Police Department. I now invite Mayor Henry Braun to bring greetings from the City of Abbotsford.